the swearing in Tallahassee was so I can get a badge to get in the building. So, and I felt like, just to get in the building, that's not enough. This was a swearing in where the people who voted for me, people who were excited about my race, and the people who support me was able to come in and see me. So, and this is for the people and the residents of Palm Beach County. I'm excited, that I get the opportunity to be swearing in District 84 in Palm Beach County, where the people who voted for me, who were excited about the race, is able to be here to watch me take office. And it's a great opportunity for me, and I look forward to working with the residents in Palm Beach County. I'm working on a couple legislative ideas for education, to change the education in Palm Beach County and throughout the state. They're not finalized yet, but before sessions start, people will start talking about, the plans that I have for education, how we're going to revamp our education system in Florida and in Palm Beach County. That's going to be the first thing that I work on. But I look forward to doing some good legislation we have a tough budget in Tallahassee. That's going to drown out the whole session. But we're going to have to tackle our education system, our environment. My district has 40% unemployment, where I need people to have jobs. I need to change the way our education system is run in Palm Beach County. I need to put legislation that's going to affect our residents in Palm Beach County. So I look forward to working on these tough issues, and the people who support me, what I want to do is continue to work hard to make sure that our legislative priorities are addressed.